Welcome to Joe Duffy BMW here at Charlestown. My name is Chloe and today we have a beautiful 5 Series M Sport Saloon finished in a metallic Dravic grey. This is a 2021 3-liter petrol plug-in hybrid with a fully automatic transmission. I'll be going through some exterior and interior features, so if you come along here to the side. Here we have our 19-inch upgraded diamond cut alloy wheels with our brake painted calipers matching our M Sport badge. Now to the front we of course have our BMW iconic kidney grills, adaptive LED headlights. Now coming on to the side we have our gloss black trims. Now following to the back we of course have automatic opening and closing boot functionality. Here, as you can see, we have plenty of compartment space and underneath for charging cables and whatnot. This car does come with comfort access, so if I lock it here and approach the car, it should open. Perfect. First, I'll let you see the back seats. Here is the interior. We have leather in a matte beige cream finish. We have our ISOFIX child seating support systems as standard. If I take a seat here, we have plenty of legroom space, some AC controls, USB-C ports for charging, some extra space in the folds in the back of the seats and on the sides of the doors as well. Now before I enter the driver's seat, we have our electronic seat adjustability. You can save these settings on 1 or 2. Now to turn on the engine, it is foot on the brake, push start, and there you go. Here is our instrument cluster with our speedometer and our range. You can also see our map from here as well. If we move to the left of that, here is our infotainment menu. We're currently on navigation. If I put it into media, we have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as standard. And if we put it into reverse, as you can see, we have a view of the rear, and we have ultrasonic sound sensors with a visual aid. This comes with parking assist and reversing assist. We also have communications here. If we move below, as you can see, we have ambient lighting currently in a purple setting. We have gloss black and silver chrome accents. Here we have more media functions for the radio, and here would be our dual climate control zone. Further down we have compartment for your phone, a USB, some cup holders, and here is our gear and transmission. From here you can easily navigate the different menus using this dial. Now to the right, you can also put it into the manual sport mode. We have different modes: sport, hybrid, and electric. This comes with the auto handbrake, and we have some extra compartment space in the middle as well as USB-C port. Now moving on to our steering wheel. This is a heated steering wheel which comes along with the heated seats, which you can control back here. And on the left of the steering wheel we have our cruise control functions, and on the right we have our media functions. This is an M Sport, so we of course have our automatic pedal shifter transmission on the left and on the right. On the side of the door we have electronic opening and closing windows and electronic folding mirrors. Above we have our BMW SOS emergency call button as standard. Now this beautiful 5 Series is available for purchase on Joe Duffy BMW and across various other car selling websites. If you would like to book an appointment, a test drive, have any questions at all, please don't hesitate to contact us at Joe Duffy BMW. My name is Chloe, and that will be all for today. Thank you. Bye.